In this bathroom remodel, I want to show you ideas of using large 24 by 48 tiles. These ideas can help you in your bathroom remodeling project. Large tiles are the current trends in bathroom remodeling. They look good, and since they have few joints in the grout, they are very practical in cleaning maintenance. This is a bathroom that already needed a complete remodeling change. We removed a closet to enlarge the space inside the bathroom and installed more cabinets for storage. In this bathroom remodel, we use a grate and large tiles. The measurements are 24 by 48 porcelain tile polish finish. We installed in the shower walls and also the rest of the walls. To finish on the edges, we installed 3-inch mosaic glass tile with trim and an elegant finish. On the floor, we used 8 by 36 inches wood look tile and a stuck bond finish. The shower floor is a Victoria grade hexagon mosaic 2 by 2 inches. The shower niche is a custom size 18 by 24 with brushed nickel trim. The shower trim kit features 10-inch square rainfall shower head with hand sprayer. Carrara marble 49-inch wide natural marble single sink bathroom vanity top with brushed nickel faucet was installed in this bathroom. The shower door is a 60-inch by 74-inch in a modern look brushed nickel finish. The white vanity cabinet contrasts perfectly with the gray tile and gives the bathroom elegance in a look. It has 2 doors and 3 drawers and a curved finish with brushed nickel handles. Cabinet above toilet and white with 2 doors and shelves for more storage. The mirror with lights, anti-fog, shatterproof, horizontal and a touch switch combined perfectly in this bathroom. Cabinet for storage 18 by 72 inches with open shelf that will be very useful for this bathroom. If you want more ideas, here I have another video, click to watch it.